Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You are already in Windows Recovery, so start now. First, confirm the system drive letter by running disk part, list volume, then exit. Once done, create a BCD backup with bcdedit/exportc /bcd backup. This preserves the current boot config. Next, run bootrec/fixember and bootrec/fixboot to repair boot code. Make sure to run bootrec/scanos and bootrec/rebuild to detect and re-register Windows installations. This fixes common boot record corruption. Now focus on file integrity and disk health. Run chkdskc/f/r to locate and repair bad sectors. This can take time, so be patient. Once chkdsk finishes, run the offline system file checker, sfc/scano/offbootdir equals c, //offwindir equals c, /Windows to restore corrupted system files. If automatic repair keeps looping, temporarily disable recovery with bcdedit/set default recovery enabled no, then reboot to test. Finish by exiting command prompt and rebooting normally to verify the repair. If Windows still fails to start, return to WinRe and rename the BCD. renc /boot/bcd back, then run bootrec/rebuild again to force reconstruction. Once the boot sequence is stable, re-enable recovery with bcdedit/set default recovery enabled yes. Troubleshooting tip: if these steps fail, use system restore to roll back recent changes or perform a repair install. Hardware SSD/HDD failure should also be tested with manufacturer tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.